Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 8 English version Math exercise 4.2. Question 11 and 12. If x equals to 5, what is the value of x cubed minus 12x squared plus 48x minus 64? This looks like form of a plus b, a minus b whole cube. Okay, let us write a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Question number 11. Given expression is x cubed minus 12x squared plus 48x minus 64. This can be written in the form of this a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. How? Let us do it. X. Here x, a is x, so x cube minus 3a square b means 3x square, b is 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. 4 cube is 64. Okay. We just changed the form, but the value hasn't changed. This is also 12x square and this is 12x square. Now plus 3a square b and then 3ab square. 3ab square means 3x 4 square into 4 square. 4 square means 16. 3 into 16, 48. So 48x. The value hasn't changed. Minus 64. 4 cube. Value hasn't changed. This is 64. Equals to x a minus b whole cube. We can write a minus b means x minus 4 whole cube equals to, can we put the value of x? Yes, 5 minus 4 whole cube. What we did, putting the value of x equals to 1 cube equals to 1. Answer 1. 12. Question number 12. A square plus b square equals to c square. Prove that a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 3a square b square c square equals to c to the power 6. Always when there is equation and we are said to prove, we have to prove the left hand side equals to right hand side. So let us start from left hand side. Left hand side equals to a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6 plus 3a square b square c square a square b square c square equals to, we can rewrite it in the form, which form? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b. Okay, we know a corollary. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A plus b. Since this pretty much looks like a cube plus b cube, okay, Let us rewrite it in this form. A square, how we can make it a cube? A square cube, this is a cube, plus b square whole cube, this is b cube, and plus we leave this part as it was, 3a square b square c square. So just form we have changed, but value hasn't changed. Okay, equals to, now if we consider this a cube b cube, we can write in this form. A plus b whole cube means a means a square and b means b square. So a plus b whole cube means a square plus b square whole cube minus 3ab. 3a means a square, b means b square. 3ab into a plus b. A plus b means a square plus b square. And we should not forget this part. There was another part, that was 3a square plus 3a square b square c square equals to, now putting the value of a square plus b square, what we get? It is c square. So c square cube whole cube minus 3a square b square into c square plus 3, this part, plus 3a square b square c square. How we got it? Putting the value of what? A square plus b square. A square plus b square. Now equals to this minus quantity and this is plus quantity, same quantity. So this is gone. Only left with c square whole cube, means c to the power 6. Is it equals to right side? Yes. So we can say equals to right hand side. So proved. 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 Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.